coming back from a vacation to give. Thank you, Bhuvan and Rohit, for this sexy Diapa hamper. These are pop sockets, Bluetooth speaker, Bhuvan being all sexy on a calendar, and my favorite, the sweatshirt that says "Hustle karo, hasad nahi." Oh, this is so cute. Speaker. Okay, I'm overly excited, guys. Look at the merchandise. Arey, start ko dekho, start. Oh my God, हमारी जान भुवन बाम.
प्यारा या मेरे भुवन भाई का प्यारा या. थैंक यू भुवन. थैंक यू भाई. हसल करो, हसड़ नहीं. थैंक यू. लव यू.
with